So, how many forms of cell death do you know? There are various forms of cell death, but they are under the category of regulated cell death or accidental cell death. Regulated cell death can occur in the absence of any exogenous environmental perturbation, hence operating as a built-in effector of physiological programs for development or tissue turnover. These completely physiological forms of RCD are generally referred to as programmed cell death. On the other hand, RCD can originate from perturbations of the intracellular or extracellular microenvironment. When such perturbations are too intense or prolonged for adaptive responses to cope with stress and restore cellular homeostasis. So, altogether, there are various forms of cell death. So, morphocytes have historically been employed to classify cell death into three forms, that is type 1 cell death, type 2 cell death and type 3 cell death. So, among that, type 1 cell death or apoptosis exhibiting cytoplasmic shrinkage, chromatin condensation, that is pycnosis, nuclear fragmentation, that is karyohexis, and plasma membrane blebbing, culminating with the formation of apparently intact small vesicles commonly known as apoptotic bodies that are efficiently taken up by neighboring cells with phagocytic activity and degraded within lysosomes. Type 2 cell death or autophagy manifesting with extensive cytoplasmic vacuolization and similarly culminating with phagocytic uptake and consequent lysosomal degradation, and type 3 cell death or necrosis displaying no distinctive features of type 1 or type 2 cell death and